Out of 251 candidates, we have as many as 38 criminals. Number of criminals with serious crimes are 19. The party-wise position is something like this. 3 out of 39 candidates of Aam Aadmi Party have criminal records. 6 out of 36 from BJP. 9 out of 37 candidates of Indian National Congress. And we have one such constituency for the first time in the history of Goan elections. There's one constituency where you have 3 criminals, and that is Sanandre. As far as the age is concerned, 159, which is 63% candidates are under 14. 92 candidates, which is 37%, are between 51 and 80. The eldest candidate being the former Chief Minister, who is at 79, Mr. Pratap Singh Rani. 12% have 10 crores and above as their assets. 15% are 5 crores and above. 89 candidates say that their assets are between 1 crore to 5 crores. Another 53 talk about 20 lakhs to a crore, and 42 candidates said less than 20 lakhs. There is one candidate who says that his assets are 0. Illiterate 1, which means he is not even 5th standard. Up to 5th pass is 9, 8th, up to 8th pass is 19, 56, 10th pass